Alright, we out here at this car show down here. Letting you guys see the Pinole downtown car show. That's where we're at. Show y'all some of the cars out here. Give you guys a nice walkthrough. You got the main street right here is where we're at. All right, this side for you as well. Then you got the parking lot, then you got the grass. We're about to start that band up. I'll be handing out flyers today for the August 30th show at Cal Sadie's Bay. Make sure you guys pull up. Go Ivan in a small shirt.
Here you go. Here you go. Oh, I'm surprised. He ain't messed with me today.
I always roast him on his tight shirts. He's been wearing some mediums, knowing he a 3X. Here go this nice Nova for you. It's a nice GTO.
Oh yeah. Well, that's
Y'all don't believe me how tight his shirts are. I'm gonna go up on him and show y'all. He be showing his ribs. I gotta give my homies Eccentric some love. Give him a little roasting, but here y'all go.
Oh, okay.
I was gonna take my dog, but I was like, nah, I'm just scared of those wheels, bro. It's like, yeah, for real. Trying to ride.
Got him. Had to get him one time. It wouldn't be right if I didn't. It's all love out here in this car game. He's been around a long time. Here goes his uncle.
What's up, sir?
Here go his uncle.
How you doing? How you doing?
Here go this dude.
How's my guy?
What's up, now? Y'all on my video? All right. This is the parking lot. We were here last year. This is our spot.
We met too.
Get a little shade back there. No, California. Then you can go over here. You want to check out the grass area. Go down these steps, let your kid play with the little playground. Some more cars sitting back here. You ain't getting out of here once you get back here. Brotherhood Bay Area. Yeah, you're not leaving here no time soon. Look at the homie's whip. He ain't getting out no time soon.
That's the last time. And that was last year.
You said you a Saints fan?
Of who? Of who? Of who?
What's up, son?
Wait, what's wrong with you, son?
Well,
I think you got this son must got something going on with your brain. You see what I got? This is San Francisco. Everything I got on. Go where you going? Come on back.
you said San Francisco, I gotta go. Alright, they got some vendors down here. We got more cars back here.
I'm not going to take the car out there. Yeah, I'll probably be out to that one. Okay, for sure. Yeah, for King of the Streets, for sure.
Buckhorn Barbecue and Grill. More cars down here. Another Mustang. Look at his swap. Okay. Put an LS in there, huh? We put an LS in this Mustang. Centric. All right, y'all. That's the show. Showed y'all the front to the back. All right, y'all. Y'all enjoy your Sunday. Peace.